Let's make a healthy snack for my 1-year-old. Today, I'm gonna be making her some oat bar. Wish me luck. Let's go. If you wanna try this out with your toddler, grab a paper. Here's your grocery list. Rolled oats, milk of your choice, water, or you can use bone broth, mixed berries, but I'll definitely add some substitutes that you can use, and some gelatin. Let's get into it. I also have a saucepan and a silicone mold that I'll be using to mold my bars. Get your saucepan and let's move over to the stovetop. To our saucepan, we're gonna add our oats, water, as well as our milk. Over low heat, we're gonna stir until all our liquid is absorbed by the oats. Now we could go ahead and add in our frozen berries. We're gonna bloom our gelatin. Gonna add your gelatin to your mixture. And mix that in. Once your gelatin is dissolved, you could go ahead and turn off your stovetop. You're gonna add your mixture to your mold. Then you're gonna go ahead and pop these in your refrigerator for about 3 hours. I'm just making some jam to go with Rosie's oat bars. Making sure to crush all the fruits. Let me know if you guys want a video on this jam as well. I'm gonna pair this with some yogurt. as well as this berry dip jam that I made. This is basically the same frozen berries with chia seeds. This is what it's looking like. I'm just gonna leave this out while she naps so that when she wakes up, it's at least at room temperature because she does not like cold food. So I'll definitely check back in and let you guys know if she enjoyed this or not, which I'm pretty sure she's not gonna enjoy it, but fingers crossed. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.